Hey guys, hey everyone, hello my tribe. I've got a special deal to share with you. Okay, so that's especially for my subscribers or whoever will choose to take advantage of this cool offer I'll be sharing with you about ProductDyno. So ProductDyno is a very, very good quality membership platform where you can create and basically connect everything to do with the payment process and host your anything to do with e-learning, your courses, create video courses, so on and so forth, right? Well, this product has been around for a long time. It's by Promote Labs, okay, a very, very reputable vendors, good vendors, Jeremy, and I forgot the name of the other guy, excuse me. Forgive me that, but okay, so this product keeps like relaunching every now and again on various platforms, on app Sumo, I think that's the way to pronounce it, on Kickstart, sometimes on JVZoo. And then they come up with a special sort of one-time payment to lifetime access to this membership platform deal, okay, or deals, because they're actually free tiers to this product. Now, I happen to have a good relationship, so to speak, with the JV manager of this product, Matt Garrett, okay, and I asked him because this product really sold really well for me when it was relaunched last time on, I believe, Pay Kickstart, or also on AppSumo, right? And I was like, can you just give me like can we create like a private promotion for my subscribers exclusively? Again, I just reached out to Matt because I happen to know him quite well, virtually. And he was, yeah, cool, let me do it for you. So he set up a special promotion for my subscribers, and also like for my buyers, I have some amazing bonuses to complement this product beautifully. Okay guys, let me like quickly show you the offer I have for you. Okay, this is not a review, this is like an update just to give you a heads up of what's happening, what you can take advantage of, okay? So if you wish to watch my review on ProductDyno, I will attach the link to my review in the description box. Okay, so let's jump to my desktop and let me show you what I have in store for you. Right, so this is it's the sales page with my special offer. Okay, so this offer is gonna give you lifetime access to ProductDyno, and don't worry about the timer that it's like, it's zero, doesn't matter, okay, it's still active. Now, if you want to watch my review, please watch my review. It's about like 35 minutes thorough review just to refresh your knowledge of this product, okay? And then I'll just give you a reminder of what this funnel is all about. Now, the thing is that if you buy it via my link that will be below my review from this page. Now check out the prices. I'm not gonna go over what this product is all about, because they do give you the overview here. I'm sort of like guessing again, because it is not a review, that you guys know what what ProductDyno is all about, but you kind of like, you missed the deal when it was on lifetime special deal, and you sort of like, you feel like, I wish I have got it when it was on the offer, because if you want to buy it now, okay, I just googled it, okay, if you want to buy it now from the official website, check out the prices. You're gonna be paying monthly. All right, so check it out again. 3 tiers. So for the starter, you'd be paying as much as $99 a month. Okay, and it gets even more expensive. So, and that's the ProductDyno. So that's the members area. Okay, so you have all of the That's where you create the products. You can add collections. You can add all of the global integrations. Your payment process, or you can add members. You have discussions, direct messaging from here, or you can even email your members. And there's so much more that this product is all about. It's like a very, very convenient. This one platform, like centralized platform, where not only can you create your products, but you can actually host them, or you can connect it to your own domain if you prefer to host it on your own domain, but you don't have to. So that's the beauty of it. You can create and sell a product from this platform alone, even without having the website and being very, very techy about it. So people love ProductDyno, and I have seen a lot of product that I chose to promote, which I saw that they were actually, hosted on the ProductDyno domain. All right, so it's a very, very well-known and widely used product. Okay, so back to the sales page, which is like my private promotion. So let me show you the prices. Okay, check out the sales page for yourselves, because again, this is not a review. Now, tier 1, guys, you will be getting for $89. Okay, it's lifetime. It's one collection, but unlimited members. Go through the features, refresh your knowledge by going through the sales page, what this product, is all about and what it comes with. Now, tier 2 is 167. You have, more collections available, like possible here, and more products you could create, and all of that, and more members. And then tier 3 is 297. It will come with some bells and whistles, like this wombat called, what it stands for. It's basically like word of this one here, the last feature. Yeah, you have some like cool, extra cool features available on top of obviously more collections. And as you can see, you get to create unlimited products, because for serious people, that's the deal I would recommend. It's 247. It's lifetime access, and you can create unlimited products with this one. It's quality product, guys, and these guys are not going anywhere. So you're in good hands, right? And this basically let's go back to this wombat sort of thing. It stands for word of mouth. It's basically for not only social sharing, but if you have members in your membership, on this membership platforms, and you will get more and more members, your buyers, obviously your subscribers, right? You will give them the possibility with this feature to share your products or your collections, your future, like your deals, right? It's like a social share, so they can spread the good news, if you know what I mean. Okay, it's a cool feature to have for sure. Right, so that's the prices. It's one time, as you can see, one-time purchase, one-time purchase, all good. And now if you buy it via the link below my review, and this offer, okay, is on Pay Kickstart. Right, and you also get my bonuses together with some like free affiliate marketing courses on like traffic generation, email marketing, all of that. These 7 epic, ProductDyno bonuses here, okay, you'll get access to 7 very, very cool ebooks, okay, which will definitely complement this product amazingly, okay. And now you will just download them. If you click here, you'll get instant access to it. Okay, let me just show you. Just bear with me. Where was it? Oh my goodness, sometimes you just get stuck. Okay, 1 second. One moment, please. Okay, you'll get them in a zip file. Okay, obviously you'll have to download them. And all of the ebooks, like blogging for profits, bridge page profits, build a bigger list, commission cruncher, I think it's called, yeah. No list problem, SEO success, okay, and unstoppable traffic and video marketing playbook. Okay, these will be like, ebooks like this one. I'm just gonna quickly scroll through just to give you a sneak peek to what these bonuses are all about, or like unstoppable traffic. They're around 16-20 pages long, okay, 7 of them. Okay, so my bonuses for my buyers are here, available for anyone who decides to pick up this product via my special deal offer. The link will be below my not review, but below this update video, so to speak. All right, and again, if you wish to check out my review on ProductDyno, do watch it. I will attach the link to my thorough review on ProductDyno in the description box below this video as well. Alright guys, so that's it, sweet and short. Do take advantage of this offer if you want to buy it at one-time price, okay, and yeah, put that beast to action. Alright, love you and leave you, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.